How to change your Android phone device name. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your device name easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to settings and now scroll down and go to system. After you click on system, all what you have to do now is click on about phone. Now click on device name and you can change the name as you can see. It's very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later and thank you so much.